Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, we will be guiding you through how to report someone on Gumtree. Reporting someone on Gumtree can be done for various reasons, such as suspicious ads, inappropriate messages, or violations of their posting guidelines. If you want to report a suspicious ad on Gumtree, then follow through the instructions. Launch open a web browser to begin. Now go to the URL box and type in gumtree.com and search. Also make sure that you're signed into your Gumtree account. Once you're inside the main home page, go ahead and select the ad you want to report on Gumtree. Once you find the ad, click on it to open up the app description page. Now, once you open up the page, you will be able to see the contact information and the name of the seller. Click on View Profile. Soon after you open up a product, simply go ahead and click on the Report button on the right hand side right under the contact information. Now select one of the regions from the options provided for reporting the ad. Choose the most relevant regions such as illegal or fraudulent, spam or duplicate, and then you can also provide details, adding a brief explanation for your report. This could be helpful if the region itself isn't self-explanatory. Once you are done with everything, click on Send Report. If you've encountered inappropriate messages or behavior from another user, then you'll need to contact Gumtree directly by visiting their help center and tapping on Contact Us. Choose any methods for communication and clearly explain the issue you've encountered, including the details like the username of the person or any relevant screenshots of messages. So that is how you will be able to report someone or the suspicious ad they have provided on Gumtree. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.